Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a YouTube Premium. So let's go to YouTube first. Then scroll down and you'll find here YouTube Premium. Click on this. Then you can see here try it for free. You can try 1 month for free trial. Then you have to pay this amount for every month. So click on this try it for free. Then you can see here add debit or credit card. Click on this and click on buy. Then you can add your card number here. Then you can add your MMYY security code, your name, your street address and things, city, postal code, all things will be should be here accurately. Then you have to just click on this safeguard. After safeguard, if your card details all is okay, then you can purchase this subscription for 1 month or the month you want. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.